Well, he lasted longer than I thought he would. He's an inspiration to feeble old codgers everywhere.
Still trying to get back up? Stop embarrassing yourself! Just accept your limitations and ease gracefully into retirement!
My limitations can go straight to hell. Goku, Krillin, you're the ones who showed this old fossil he still had something left to give. That it was too soon to let the limits of age sentence him to sit idly by on the sidelines. You boys who were never content to stop, who kept aiming for and climbing greater and greater heights, want me to take it easy? Now listen to me, boys! Always remember these words. Work hard, study well, and eat and sleep plenty. That is the Turtle Hermit way. The Turtle Hermit School will be with you, always. This will be my greatest, most powerful Kamehameha!